So, what did you say? Adjectives, you know. Yeah, adjectives, big table, easy. And then adverbs, what do you think adverbs are, if you could guess?
Like descriptive language before noun or verb or something.
Before verbs, before adjectives themselves?
Yeah, but I don't really know the difference between them.
Okay, that's okay. So, jumping, right? Or jump, yeah? Can you think of an adverb for jump? Because I know that you do know this stuff, but good to have a refresher. Let's say he jumps. So what? He jumps. Hey, we got it. Yeah. He jumps high. Or he walks slowly. He walks quickly. These are adverbs. So on your sheet it says, what adjectives or adverbs enhance sentence detail? What adjectives, adverbs enhance sentence detail? Adjectives and adverbs. What you can do is have a look at some of these and think about what ones would be good to use in your essay. Because not all of them will be good. So here, these are easy ones, right? We got good. The adverb is well, clear, clearly. This is the difference between adjectives and adverbs. Most, something, or mostly, really, lately. Usually, you just add the suffix ly. This is the suffix here. ly. Hopefully. Slowly, like we just did. Easily, hardly. So I think these ones, when you're writing about cells in this topic, and you want to describe how the cells, how your body fights viruses, right? You can say that they quickly, they hardly rest, or they hardly take a break. They're constantly working.
Hopefully.
Sorry?
Hopefully.
the cells hopefully do a good job at fighting the virus. If they don't do a good job, you get really sick. If they do a good job, you recover. Yeah, right? So, how many do you have there? Oh, you have quite a few already. 4. Can you think of some more? Bravely! Yeah, bravely. Ooh, here's some good ones. Adjectives and adverbs. Dramatically. Considerably, significantly. Gradually. It means slowly, swiftly, quickly, suddenly, slightly. These are all very good to use. So try and use some of those in the essay that you do for homework, yeah? And we got that down, right? And that's kind of everything. Did you want to do details 2 and 3, or do you think you have enough?
I just
did.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do some details. So what did you write for your details so far?
So I just took notes.
Yeah, that's good. That's what I said. Yeah.
Detail 1, something about cells.
Cell membranes.
So of structure of cells.
The Trojan horse is a good analogy to use. What does the virus use as a Trojan horse to get into the body system? Do you remember? Yeah, that's fine. Let's have a look. Let's watch the video.
Made of cells, from the smallest one-cell bacteria to the giant blue whale, to you. Each cell in your body is surrounded by a cell membrane, a thick, flexible layer made of fats and proteins that surrounds and protects the inner components. It's semi-permeable, meaning that it lets some things pass in and out, but blocks others. The cell membrane is covered with tiny projections. They all have functions, like helping cells adhere to their neighbors or binding to nutrients the cell will need. Animal and plant cells have cell membranes, only plant cells have a cell wall, which is made of rigid cellulose that gives the plant structure. The virus that was sneezed into your lungs is sneaky. Pretending to be a friend, it attaches to a projection on the cell membrane.
Okay, so it pretends to be something that the cell membrane wants to let through, right? The cell membrane is like a wall, and it doesn't actually go into much detail. It attaches to a projection. I don't know what the projection is, but it tricks the cell membrane into letting it in, right?
And the cell brings it through the cell membrane and inside.
And then once it's inside, it reveals itself to be the
When the virus gets through, the cell recognizes its mistake. An enemy is inside.
So, a virus getting in is actually a mistake that the cell makes. But then, when it realizes the mistake, it quickly goes to like help it. Okay. Is that 5 minutes? Oh, it is. Okay.